Good morning, everyone. Today's morning I read newspaper. When I read newspaper, the Telegraph, suddenly I saw a article. That's something else. This article is right about Jammu and Kashmir. I want to I want to tell something in this about the article. The Delimitation Commission had 46 new assembly seats for Jammu and one for Kashmir, angering the Valley first and bolstering the BJP quest for a majority and a Hindu chief minister in the country's biggest Muslim majority regions. The central had allegedly set up the commission last year to carve out new assembly seats in Jammu and Kashmir all throughout East well as simply and put delimitation on hold till 2026. If the Commission's proposal is accepted, Hindu majority Jammu's share of assembly seats will increase from 37 to 43 and that of the all overwhelmingly Muslim Valley from 46 to 47. Both of the National Conference and the People's Dominance Party allege the proposal saved to the BJP's political agenda. The parts in the union ceremony have been asked to send in their views on the draft proposal by December 31. Population is the main framers. The delimitation of seats according to the 2011 cancer the valley's 68.8 lakhs people made up to 56.3% of Jammu and Kashmir's is population of 1.22 crores extinguished Ladakh, which is now a separate union theory, while Jammu 53.5 lakhs made up to about 43.7%. If the Commission's proposal is accepted, however, the Valley share of seats will be 52.22% against Jammu 47.77%, with the Kashmir seats having an average population of 1.4 lakhs against 1.25 lakhs in Jammu. The BJP has never won more than 25 seats in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, for short of the majority marks of 44 in the East 12 87-member House, including 4 Ladakh seats. The goals of majority world remain the difficult even if the largest proposals is accepted, but not impossible, because the increased stays in the Jammu grade Mandarin and total control over instructions in Jammu and Kashmir. The Commission, headed by the former Supreme Court Judge Justice Ranjana Desai, held its second meeting in Delhi on Monday and shared the draft proposal with the 5 Lok Sabha members from Jammu and Kashmir, including Srinagar MP Ford Avid Dalal. The 5 MPs are associated members of the commission, but their absence is not blinding the faint. Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra is ex officio member of the commission. Source said the three Valley MPs, all from the National Conference, opposed the proposal, while two BJP Lok Sabha members from Jammu, including Minister of the State in MPO Jitendra Singh, supported it. The National Conference MP were attending the meeting for the first time after boycotting the previous arrangements. Former Chief Minister Omar Abdul said the draft proposal was unacceptable in the last of the 2021 census data. It is deeply disappointing that the commission appears to have allowed the political agenda the BJP to dissecated its recommendations rather than the data, which should have been its only consideration. Country to made promise significant approach. It's the political approach. Omega tweeted. Former Chief Minister had PDF presented Mehbooba Mufid said the commissions had been created simply to save her BJP's political interested by dribbling people along the religious and religion line. So friend, I know that I totally wrong read this article. That's the many things of article I want to read something else, that I know that I am the totally wrong in the reading newspaper, but it's my first time to read newspaper along. But actually I don't want to read newspaper in these steps, in this method. Actually I don't know actually how read newspaper. Actually I don't know it. So friends, I will my small effort, and I would hard work for my better reading skill. So bye bye, take care.